What's going on, money makers? We're gonna today in this video we're gonna talk about a thing called solo ads. What solo ads is if you have a funnel or something like that, one person, particularly a person with a lot of following, you can hire them to post your funnel or your link and to their either email contacts or their contacts on social media or whatever contacts they have. So the one I basically, I'm sorry, I'm scrolling up and down. The one I basically use is called Udimi. And now it's different from the Udimi site that you're thinking about. If you heard about Udimi, which is on my other video, is a hiring site. If you need outsource your work. And this is a little different. This is more of a marketing thing. And if you want to know more about solo ads, there's different YouTubers there to explain what more, get more into detail of what's a solo ad. But Udemy is one of the best ones I found. Um, so and they also have different stuff like if you want to become an affiliate, if you actually had a following, and you wanted to sign up for solo ads, they do have that. They also have that service there. Now the Prime membership, like if you want to go to Prime membership, um, you can double up your affiliate earnings and free ID and all that stuff. So you want to, if you want to do a Prime membership, um, that's when you actually can become an actual affiliate of theirs. And um, if you have a large following, if you're following this video and you have a large following, this is a way to make some extra money. So how this works is people that have a big enough following. So let's just click on this guy and I'll explain which how to go about it. So this guy's name is Edgar, whatever his name is. You see where he's from, Latvia. Um, and it all depends on where you want to market. If you want to market, it looks like that's Eastern Europe. If you have a lot of contacts that you want to do in Eastern Europe, you understand. So he charges 41 cents per visit. His buy rate, his percentage of people actually getting sales is 37%. Um, and his retention repeat orders is 24%. So you come and there's his picture and he's online. Here's his likes, which is 1,253 and 5 only dislikes. That's a great margin. If you actually think about it, only 5 people out of 1,253 people is actually 1,258 people disliked it. So the best way to do this is they go by following. So it's 41 cents per visit. So if you get 200 visitors, that's 41 cents. So you can go here, and his minimum. Some people got minimums of 75, but his minimum is 100. So you will be paying $44. Again, it's 41 cents plus Udemy charges I think 3 cents per about 3 cents per visitor there. So what you would do is put your link there, or if you had some ad text, say if you had a ClickFunnels screenshot or a video or something, you will put that there. The best way to do this is you can always keep it on base filler. Prime filler, let's see, your quality increases by I'm gonna get prime filler free of all your social. So yeah, yeah, you don't want to click on only top tier. You will receive only visitors from the UK. So if you're not like in this 10 cent per extra 10 cents, so instead of paying the 41 the 40 44 cents, you'll pay 54 cents per visit, which can be a little costlier, but it's singling out U.S., UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. Um, I do this one, the top one. I don't mind paying an extra 10 cents because most of my business is going to be U.S., UK, and Canada anyway. In English speaking countries, it looks like. Um, don't only do mobile or no mobile. Leave those alone. Only because if you're only doing mobile, you might not. It might be a person that's just has an email list, and how many times do we click through emails? And no mobile is if say they do have someone that's all on their social media. Um, you typically don't go to social media on your laptop per se. You maybe Facebook, but in Twitter, maybe not Instagram or something like that. So you come down here. It tells you about the seller. He sold 44 solo ads in a couple of days. He's a Hall of Fame member. I don't know how the credentials of you getting a Hall of Fame. So there's another important part: is what kind of traffic do they offer, and do their visitors typically buy? So MMO, MLMs, and CPAs. I would say so click per cost. 15% over delivery. So over deliveries, it won't charge you extra. It won't charge you extra, but sometimes, like say you order 200 visitors, you might get 110 visitors. Just because his email list is long, and they might just send it out to 210 people, just in case somebody doesn't open it. I accept no mobile and mobile only orders. So this guy probably isn't the best guy you want to go with, unless you want to limit yourself just to mobile and no mobile. All right, so we're gonna come down here um and read some of the thoughts of people. Good run, 38% opt in, one actual sale. Good solo as fast delivery got 40% opt in. See, these are good. Quick job, quick delivery, 48%. I'm placing another order now. So yeah, all these are good. So typically his traffic, which is great, 87% of it comes from the United States. Um, so basically all his favorite sellers. So you come back up here. You can message him and see what kind of traffic he actually has. So say you had a I don't know, a forex course that you wanted to promote. Ask him if he has any forex. People that's interested in trading or anything like that. It's real easy to fill out. So what you would do here is put a link here. I'm actually not going to put a link. Um, you will put a link there. Go to add to cart. Now you can pay for this. Let's see. You can actually use PayPal on this. As of now, you can use PayPal, or that's pretty much it. You can use PayPal. That's very. Now you can also filter this thing out. I'm looking for the filter right now. All right. So where's the filter? I'm looking for the filter. Round five. So there's my solo. No mobile. So yeah, something like this. Okay. So you can also look for solo deals. Um, these are actually people that's actually high on the market there. Um, yeah. So solo deals is if you pay for the 1,000 visitors, um he'll lower his fee from 52 cents to 40 cents per customer, and it's all um but yeah, um let's go back and see if we can find that okay, here it is, filter. Um, okay, so what I do for the filter is I want at least 40% of sales. Um, and then you can also put a price. Say you want only 50 cents per. So this guy is good. Now, what you want to do is very responsibly. What you want to do is click on them. Uh, it's $47. Been involved with internet marketing since then. 22. Oh, great delivery, 35% opt-in with 11 pending sales. Highly recommend. Okay, and that was June 14th. Today is June 19th. So that's pretty good. Great swap, and I had one sale so far. So yeah, so again, Udemy, different from the Udemy site that that Udemy is Udemy. So I did a video on that Udemy. If you wanted to earn some money, just as an affiliate, or I mean as just as a freelance worker. So yeah, this is a great tool if you're just into like if you have funnels or if you have now this isn't a good thing if you have say a Shopify store with products. This is not something you want to do far as that using that. But if you have like a digital business, ClickFunnels, royalty, anything like that, you want to go down and use this Udemy. This Udemy is a great site. I've used it before, not on this profile that I actually had. I actually had to make another profile because I lost my password. But under I've got 10 to 11 sales, and if you think about it, I do have a credit repair course that's only $49. If you get 10 sales per, and I only do it for 100, and I did it for 100, so it's only cost me one sale, and then if I got 10, that's 9 more. That's just an extra 300 some bucks a day if you run per day. And again, you want that's why you want to kind of filter out, and you kind of want to see where the traffic is actually going too. You don't want to actually have a digital program that's or a digital thing that doesn't do the United States or doesn't have good traffic. Again, you get what you pay for. So if you have something like a 20 or 30 cent per click, it's most likely robo ones like per sale. So if you do like 40 cents per so yeah, if you do that, or you can go all the way up to 80 cents. Yeah. So yeah, this is another great tool. This is the guy I use all the time. But this is another great tool for someone that has a digital um marketing. You can even use it to use if you want to use royalty or ClickFunnels to build you a affiliate marketing site. I mean funnel. And this will actually be cheaper than actually running a Facebook ad because again, you want to look and see if they got MLM business opportunity. Like if you have a crypto site that you want to affiliate yourself with, it's right here. You can get this guy. Yeah, it's different stuff. 25% per sale. Typically with the sales, I try to go at least 40% with the sales. That way you're getting bang for your buck. Now you're gonna pay a lot more if they got like 40 or 50% sale. Um, only because they have to make. And again, this is the guy I use all the time. It's here and he's very good. Like I said, he has got me 10 sales every time I use them. So Um, it works out very beneficial for me. Just to have that 100 there. So it only cost me $72, and if I get in 10 sales, it only cost me a sale and a half to get it. Okay, guys. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell. And it'll let you know when I come out with new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.